If you're seeing a Base44 500 internal server error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to check whether the problem is on Base44's side, how to force a proper refresh in your browser, and how to undo the last action if that's what triggered the error. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. First, go to the official Base44 status page and check whether the service is currently down. If the status page shows an outage, then the error is likely temporary and you may just need to wait until Base44 comes back online. If the status page looks normal, move on to the next step. Next, go back to your browser and press Ctrl, Shift, and R at the same time. This performs a hard refresh, which forces the page to reload fresh data instead of using a cached version. In many cases, that alone can clear up a stuck or outdated error. If the issue is still happening, look for your last prompt or last action in Base44 and click the Revert button underneath it. Reverting the last change can fix problems caused by a bad action, an incomplete request, or an error from the previous step. After that, try loading the page again and see if the error is gone. Those are the main steps to fix a Base44 500 internal server error. Check the official status page, hard refresh the page, and revert the last prompt if needed. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next quick fix.